for one of those pitch presentation of the startups here present at the EPHJ. So could you present yourself, your name, your function, and the name of the company you represent?
Okay, thank you. So my name is Gary Boorman. I'm one of the co-founders and employees of Angara Technology, which is based in Geneva, not far from CERN. So we're a system integrator creating high-performance control and automation systems.
And what are the specificities of your company?
So we create systems. We join parts of systems together for clients that often don't have the skills themselves to do that. We have many customers in the local area and beyond across Europe. So we're combining maybe different types of instruments, different types of hardware that they've got, joining it together with either extra hardware, software, and creating a system that does something useful that they actually want to do. It might be for testing particular devices, it might be controlling a very large, very complex chemical engineering process, power system, something like that.
So the type of solutions that you provide are relevant to various industries, I guess.
Yes, the three of us that started the company, we have a background, we were all working at CERN. So we have a background where we're very used to very complex technologies, kind of working at the extremes of speed and timing and precision, accuracy and so on. And so we take skills that we've learned and we realise that we can apply them in various parts of industry, yes.
Could you give us an example of how you interact with one of your customers? Yeah. What is kind of the workflow?
A customer would often come to us through a personal recommendation or often repeat business. They have an idea for a project. They know what they want to achieve at the end, but they may not know how the steps that are required to get there. What types of hardware they might be using, what kind of signals they want to acquire, what kind of control they actually need. So we will sit down, we will work out, get their requirements, what they actually want to do, come up with different ways of doing it, so it'd be a mix of hardware, mix of software, and try and create a solution for them that then would do exactly what they want. Bearing in mind that when people ask for something, what they really want in a year's time is something that does even more. So we always try to generate solutions that are expandable for the future.
And by essence, I guess they're all customized solutions then?
Yes, they are very customized. We work with a lot of R&D labs, so we're doing a lot of prototyping. Some of it's for a proof of concept. Would this idea actually work? So we often do proofs of concept, often do a lot of prototyping as well. But most of our work is kind of one-off type systems. We do create some test systems that would be deployed over multiple environments, but generally it's like R&D type stuff and always working at kind of the edge of technology. Yeah.
And how many employees are you in this company?
We are currently 3 at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're here at the EPHJ. Can you talk us a little bit about your presence here and the type of discussions that you can have?
So we first exhibited here 7 years ago. So the company is 7 years old now. We've learned that you can stand at your stall and wait for people to come to you. A better option is to actually go and visit other people, find out what they're doing, just visit any stand that looks interesting, see what they're doing, ask them about what they're doing, and we ask, what problems do you have? Where are you losing accuracy? Why are you getting returns from your customers? What keeps you awake at night in your labs? What are those problems? And we find that working out what people's problems are is for us then a good way to start a much deeper conversation about how we could possibly help them to achieve. Ultimately, it's down to money. Faster production, faster, more accurate, more precise testing might be. Equally, finding out why something won't work is also very positive thing to do, so they don't go ahead and perhaps put money into a project that we could see that wouldn't really be going anywhere.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for your time, and congratulations, and good luck for the rest of the show.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. So.